In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reading mode in Chrome. This is a simple feature that can make web pages much easier to read, especially if you want a cleaner layout with fewer distractions on the screen. Reading mode is useful when you're viewing articles, guides, or other text-heavy pages, and you want Chrome to present the content in a more focused way. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the web page you want to read. This works best on a page that contains a clear article or a large block of text, since reading mode is designed to simplify that kind of content. When the page has fully loaded, move your cursor anywhere on the page and right-click. This will open the context menu with several options related to the page. In that menu, look for the option labeled Open Reading Mode and click it. After you do that, Chrome will open the page in reading mode, usually in a side panel or a simplified reading view, depending on your version of Chrome. Once you're in reading mode, you'll notice that the content is displayed in a cleaner, more readable format. This helps reduce clutter from things like ads, pop-ups, or busy page elements that can make reading harder. It's a great option if you want to stay focused on the main text. From here, you can click the play button in reading mode to have the text read aloud. This is especially helpful if you prefer listening instead of reading, or if you want to follow along while Chrome reads the content to you. It can also be useful for multitasking, accessibility, or just giving your eyes a break. If the play option is available, simply click it and let Chrome begin reading the page. You can usually pause or continue playback as needed, so take a moment to get comfortable with the controls. And that's all there is to it. Open Chrome, right-click on the page, choose Open Reading Mode, and then click Play to listen to the content. It's a quick and convenient feature that can improve both reading and accessibility while browsing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.